Hello and welcome to my new course on Amazon affiliate website for beginners where you'll not require a single line of code as everything would be made on WordPress. In this course, you'll make your own Amazon affiliate niche website where you will be able to directly import products, their description, images, videos from Amazon in just a single click. I'll also teach you that how you can choose a particular niche for your Amazon affiliate website. I'll show you that how to select a domain name and buy domain name and web hosting and connect them all together. I'll show you also that how you can install WordPress, how you can set it up, what are the best practices. I'll also teach you about SEO, paid promotions via Facebook ads, and many other things in this course. Now let's move ahead to the first video of the lesson. That is Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. First of all, the question comes that what is affiliate marketing? And affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Let's now understand the parts of a successful affiliate marketing system. First of all comes the merchant, who is known as the creator, the seller, the brand, the retailer, or the vendor. This is the party that creates the product. It can be a big company like Dyson who produces vacuum cleaners. The next part of the successful affiliate marketing system is you. That is the affiliate. This party is sometimes also known as the publisher. Affiliates can also range from single individual to entire companies. An affiliate marketing business can produce a few $100s in commissions each month or tens of millions of dollars. And after that comes the most important aspect, that is the consumer. The customer or consumer makes the affiliate system go round. Without sales, there aren't any commissions to hand out and no revenue to be shared. The next thing you should know about is affiliate networks. An affiliate network is an intermediary between the affiliate and the merchant. While you could technically promote an online course someone has created and just arrange a direct revenue share with them, letting a network such as ClickBank or Commission Junction handle the payment and product delivery puts a more serious note on your affiliate marketing. Sometimes affiliates have to go through an affiliate network to be even able to promote the product. For example, this happens if the merchant only manages their affiliate program on that network. The affiliate network then also serves as a database of lots of products, out of which the affiliate marketer can choose which to promote. In case of promoting consumer products like tools, books, toys, and household items, the biggest affiliate network by far is Amazon. Their Amazon Associates affiliate program lets you to promote any item that is sold on their platform. Anyone can sign up and then generate a custom affiliate link to Amazon products. If someone purchases through your link, you earn a small commission. In this course, the link that we'll be building will directly redirect the people to the payments page. And the Amazon tracking cookie is for 24 hours. This means that if any person buys a product or many products within 24 hours of clicking the affiliate link, you still get the commission of the whole purchase. This was it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll learn about why Amazon affiliate program is the best.